Okay, good morning guys. So it's a bit different today with the video. It's going to be hopefully a vlog on the daily life on the farm. So it's Tuesday morning, bright and early as you can tell. I've got the flash on. Okay, so the first step I do is take the little pooch out for a walk. And he eats the grass. Hello to the camera. Yeah, so this is what I do first of all, is make sure he walks for the day. Well, for the morning at least. You're getting a one at night. So I'm going to try and do like bits of the day. I don't know how well it'll go because obviously I've got to work as well. And I've also got a bad hand, which I'm holding the camera very awkwardly with. So the next step is on the farm. Okay, so we're here, and first step is, these are the dry cows, the mums to be. Just quickly check, making sure they're alright. Obviously I can see them clearly than you can. You wanna look healthy. Next is the other canine. Benny. Okay, so take a look at this. Look at that little fella. And that is obviously Mum. That is wicked. I don't know what it is yet, but I've only just seen it. That looks wicked. Next stage is the bedding down. Which, as you can see, went according to plan. So the heifers have just been cleaned. This is them now, which they're always a fun joy to get in. That is, you've seen the pictures of Marlene, that is her daughter. These are the cubicles, by the way. Just want to show you her face. She has the exact face as her mother. And I'll show you her mother later on. Okay, so the next thing is to do the wagon, which the first herd one is done. It's just being put out because I don't drive tractors right now, only the smaller ones. So yeah, that's what's next. I'm trying to give you everything we do in the day, but it's a bit impossible because there's got a bit to do, so it's hard to record and stuff. And I can't see because the sun's in my eyes. So anyway. Okay, so the last job for me today is just getting the cows in. I normally milk them in the afternoon, but today I'm not, for a reason. So I've called them over and here they come. Normally they're waiting by the gate quite earlier in this, but for some reason they're happy outside. So in this herd, this is the first herd, there is about 90 of them. This is Marlene. This is that young heifer I showed you earlier. You might be able to see the face. And she thinks she's God's gift, this one. She thinks she can do what she pleases, because the rest are going in. But no, Marlene has different ideas. She's such a weird cow.